All right. So we're going to go ahead and kick this baby off. I hope you guys are super excited. You're doing three-way stir fry. Now, who loves stir fry? Tell the truth, right? Super quick, super easy, super delicious. Yes, yes, and yes. I see you guys working around in your kitchens. So what I like to do is I like to just go ahead and cut my florets off, right? So you can see on the camera here, I have my cutting board all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut off my florets. So I can't get your vegetable base in here. My hardest vegetables are my broccoli and my peppers and my carrots. Broccoli, peppers, and carrots go down first. Broccoli, peppers, and carrots go in first. Check this out. Look at that. Right? Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh. Here I have all of my chicken. No problem. That's the thing about stir fry. You can literally make it the way you want to.